Okay, so let's take a look at where we are this morning. And quick reminder, long-term ES chart off the 4, whoop, wrong pen. So off the bottom of the 4, 5 up to here is a diagonal, 2 back to the 50% retrace, 5 up, 2 back, and then a 1, 2, and we're in this 3 here. Target for that is 3014 minimum, and likely to extend, I would think, to one of the higher fibs. The next one up, 3054, and then 3121. That's on the daily chart. If we then bring that down to the 4-hour chart and where we are in the pattern at the moment. So I've got this 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're in this 3 here, which is at micro degree. Then we get a 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish this 3 off here. The 1618 for that is at 3057, and the 123.6 for the 3 of it is at 3011. The 138.2, 3029. That's for this 3 here. So we're still in this 3. Okay, and there's a lot of 3s on these charts, I'm afraid. When we come down then to the hourly chart, that's the micro 3, so that they are all correctly labeled. We're in the micro degree, which is the purple circled labeling. So within that, micro 1, micro 2, then sub-micro, pink labeling, bracketed, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we didn't quite get to this 123.6, so I'm wondering whether we still need to push up there, then get this 4, then we push up next week towards the higher levels. So we may get a bit, it's a Friday. We have, as you say, got triple witching, so you tend to get a flurry of activity, 90 minutes of action, and then the volume dies while everyone buggers off for the weekend. So that's maybe what we see today. We just stay range bound between, I don't want to see it below 29.32 in any of this. 29.27 I guess I'd allow, and below there this pattern starts to break. Okay, so we do not want to see that, but the range would be from 29.48 to 29.32 if we're going to stay range bound today, and that's a 15-16 point range, so that would give them what I guess they would describe as a volatile session. But nothing broke, still long from way back, and just going to stay long and day trade around it in terms of being in and out of additional bits and bobs as we go along for the day. If I just come down to the day trading chart, we've double tapped the blue line at the bottom. It gave you an entry at 29.38 this morning if you wanted that. Needs to get back over 29.41. And I suggest we're likely to head up to the blue line at some point early on. The S&P 500 cash has not been up at these levels, so it's about 8 or 9 points shy of the high that we have seen in the ES this morning. So we could come up, hit the blue line, and then come all the way back down again to get a running floor flat in the ES while the SPX completes its pattern in the cash market.